So we're gonna clean all of this up. This is the before. Alright guys, so this is how I'm doing it. So once I place it down, I go with the roll and I'm just rolling it up with pressure. So this is a roller. Esto es como le llevo aquí con la navajita, el roller. Ahí la llevamos, ya acabé lo de atrás, todavía falta eso, pero ya acabé the back wall. Casi todo lo de la floor, todo lo del techo. Mira, esa es la diferencia. Antes oía todo frágil, ahora mira, macizo, compa, macizo. cleaning 30-year-old seats. Una bañadita, Cuhh. Los asientitos. Damn, bro. So that was clear water before?
I mean, the thing coming in, yeah, that's clear water in here.
Damn, that's crazy. So it was clear water like this. Now it's this. Todo lo que le salió. That's 30 years of dirt. That's nasty. That's crazy. 30 years of dirt. So yeah, these are 30-year-old seats that were just cleaned. 30-year-old rug right there. See how it is now? That's how it's looking. The back rug just got cleaned. It's over there drying up. Look at that. Dynamat all over. Dynamat on the floor. Dynamat on the roof. This is gonna be dope when it comes all back together. Sheesh, miren qué bonito quedó todo. Ahí está, ahí está. Clean, clean. Ahorita tiene como poquillas basuritas que son como zacate nomás, que volaron. Pero eso nomás se sacude y se quita, pero quedó bien bonito todo. 30 años, carpeta que tiene 30 años. Esta igual. Esta carpeta también tiene 30 años. Esta es la carpeta de atrás. La carpeta de abajo. Si miran, esa carpeta, la grande, va mero abajo. Y la carpeta va atrás. Aquí en una pared de atrás. So, two basically brand new clean seats. Casi nuevecitos. Mira, mira hasta el suede. Sheesh. Mira nomás. Man, you can't get that nowhere else. But big boy detailing, I already know. Let them know, bro. Aquí en la camera.
Yeah, bro. Hit me up, Big Boy Detailing on this. Big Boy _ detailing on Instagram, or my number 713-584-0629. Just hit me up, man. If you're in Houston area, we'll go to you.
Facts. Sí, bro, te quedó chingón. Muchas gracias, la neta.
Yeah, bro.
I appreciate you, bro. Dude, make sure you hit him up. His Instagram is on the screen. Give him a follow. Does great, great, great work. He's mobile now. He will be able to come to you. He cleans your whole interior, details it, lo deja que se mire bonito. Mira cómo queda. Damn, that's nice. Also, if you need a detail on your truck, on your paint, he does that too. De lo de la pintura, de todo detailing. He also does interior. As you can see, man, these look so good. Come on now, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Antes no hacía esto. Antes no se sentía así de limpio y no se miraba así de bonito. Qué chulada quedó. My new interior. My new interior for my OBS. I got 2 seats. We're gonna do a center console in the center with my sound system. I'm done with the dynamat, so then we're gonna add the carpet. I'm gonna put the carpet on there, the freshly washed carpet that is over here. Right here, as you can see. That's gonna go inside. This is gonna go on top of the dynamat on the back wall. Y va a quedar chingón todo el new interior. So it's basically a new interior for my OBS. That's what's so cool about it. That is just, it's a 30-year-old truck, 30-year-old seats, 30-year-old rug, and it basically looks like it hasn't been too long since it came out the dealership. Like, it's just gonna be so fucking cool. Cómo se miran los asientos y todo. Va a quedar bien chingona. So yeah, my new interior for my OBS. Clean. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to smile, do what you love, and appreciate what you have. This has been Alex from the H, and I'm out. Peace. Ahí estamos, raza. Go shop at alexfromtheH.com.